Hello again. Between 5 and 6,000 years ago, two things happened which created the modern world and gave rise to practically every invention and development in human civilization seen since that time. About 5,800 years ago, a human gene emerged which was known for short as ASPM, which stands for abnormal spindle-like microcephaly associated. It is a gene connected with brain size and architecture. It's today most frequently found in Europeans, and those from India, the Middle East and North Africa. It is least found in East Asians, the natives of North and South America, and also people from sub-Saharan Africa. Roughly 500 years after the emergence of this new gene, which has something to do with intelligence and cognitive ability, a group of tribes carrying a very strong version of it, which we now call the Yamnaya, began spreading out from the area of what is now Ukraine and Western Russia. They spread west into Europe, east into China, and south into India. We sometimes call these people the Indo-Europeans or Aryans. In the past 2,000 years, every single invention we are familiar with, steam engines, space rockets, computers, telescopes, telephones, mains electricity, absolutely everything was devised by the descendants of these people. No original inventions were the work of anybody else, that is to say, those living in North or South America or Africa or Australia. In China, a few things cropped up, but the Chinese civilization itself was also a product of these Indo-Europeans. The ability to cast bronze, the invention of the wheel and so on, were taken to China by people known as the Aryans, who were groups of Indo-Europeans who settled near the Taksim Basin. Chinese culture was also a product of those same people who settled in Europe and created European culture. European civilization and culture may not survive much longer, though. It has been a lamp burning brightly and illuminating the world, bestowing incalculable benefits upon the people of North and South America, Australia, and Africa. If Europe and its legacy fail, then the world will be plunged into darkness, for the native inhabitants of Australia, Africa, and the Americas will not be able to invent and develop in the absence of European intellect and ingenuity.